Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog because of too much busy. But anyway guys, I would like to greet you Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. So ngayon guys, meron ako ditong mga binili at saka magkakaroon kami ng Christmas party sa January 1. So late na yung aming Christmas party kasi super busy talaga guys yung aming schedule at saka may kanya-kanyang ginagawa. So meron kaming GC or group chat at meron ding nag-organize para dito sa aming gaganapin na Christmas party sa January 1 mga guys. So pipili ka din ng color kung ano yung kulay na gusto mo at saka it will serve as your na magiging regalo mo something based in your color na napili. And we also agree na 15 items yung aming bibilhin kasi 15 individuals yung magjo-join dito sa aming Christmas party. Since 15 yung participants or yung magjo-join sa Christmas party, so 15 items din yung makukuha mo, o diba? Well, anyway, I would like to share yung mga items na binili ko mga guys. So meron akong towel, meron akong hat, pair of slippers, tsaka meron din akong towel at saka yung ginagamit sa pagtatahi na set na with brush na gagamitin sa CR, basta something red lang mga guys. Since I'm done flexing the items at saka na-notice ko na malaki yung plastic, so I decided na dito ko na lang ilagay yung mga items or the materials for exchange gift so that organized siya tingnan. So that's all guys about my sharing and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. God bless guys, and again, advance Happy New Year.